Today, we're gonna turn these into these. Out on the pellet grill, low and slow. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna make some beef back ribs. Now, beef back ribs aren't that common, but at least not in my area. Maybe they are in yours, but they are delicious. So, and they're simple. Low and slow, roll some smoke. We're gonna be using the Pit Boss pellet grill. These are gonna be so good. I think for a side, we're gonna have some bacon wrapped asparagus. We're also gonna throw those out there. That'll be the separate video, so stay tuned for that one. All right, let's get on the counter and show you how we prep these. Okay, so we've got some of these nice beef back ribs here, and there is some fat on the top side that we're gonna trim some of this off so we can get the seasoning down into the meat. On the bottom side here, you've got this lining. I don't remove this because that's gonna help hold these bones together while we're out there smoking this thing and grilling it. So leave this here, but let's just trim off some of this fat on the top side. You'll want a good sharp knife just so you're not removing any meat. All you wanna do is just take off the fat with virtually no meat attached to that. So if you don't have a really good boning or fillet knife, I'm gonna link this one here below. These are made by Shun, really high quality knives. Also, you'll find our recipe on all kinds of stuff. Pretty much anything that you'll find here that we post on YouTube, you'll find on our website. We'll also link that below. Now, all I'm worried here is not so much the fat, but there's this silver skin in here, and that's pretty tough. So that's what we're really focused on getting to, is the silver skin. Okay, that's about as far as I'm going to take this one down. There's a little fat in here, but that's going to render out. Most of that silver skin is gone. So we'll set this one off to the side, and I'll knock out the rest of these here real quick. I got 4 of these, and they are two bones apiece. Get these knocked out, and we'll get them seasoned up next. All right, what I've got here is just equal parts garlic, salt, and pepper. And I've got just a pinch of some cayenne in here too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start seasoning these up. And then I'll set those on a tray next to me here. I don't worry so much about the bottom side because it's got that membrane on there. You're not gonna get any of the seasoning to penetrate that. So just get the sides and the top really good. Okay, into the fridge. About 2 hours. All right, these have been in the fridge for about 2 hours now. I got the pellet grill going right now. It's running at 225. So we're gonna get these out there. We'll check them about once every hour until we get a little closer. They're probably gonna run about 4 hours. So we're just gonna probe them for tenderness. When they're nice and tender, we'll pull them off. I'll let you know what that time looks like when we're done too. So out to the grill. All right, so we've got the ribs out there. Now, about every 30 to 40 minutes or so, I'm going out there and I'm just spritzing these. I'm just using some of this apple cider vinegar mixed with water. All it is it's 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water. Pretty mild, but it works good. I like the flavor of it. Gives it a little zing. Now, about 2 hours into this cook, I have got these things wrapped up. I added just a little bit of bone broth in there. Not much, maybe a 1/4 cup to each one, just to braise them a little bit, help soften that meat. These things are ready now. I'm gonna go pull them off the grill. All right, these ribs are done. They look amazing. They're really tender. I pulled them off at about 195. They were probing pretty tender. Guess I should give it a try. Oh, that's really good. Really good. They took about 4.5 hours total cook time. These things turned out phenomenal. Love them, really tender. They taste great. A lot of real good, rich, beefy flavor in there. Braising them right there at the end works like a charm. So, hey, you know, if you guys try this, I hope you enjoy it. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.